Development of the H2 Tram began in 2021. After years of development, Hyundai Rotem, a South Korean company, a part of the Hyundai Motor Group that manufactures rolling stock, plant equipment, and defense products, recently unveiled its hydrogen tram vehicle at the Korea Railways and Logistics Fair, the largest domestic railway exhibition. The tram is powered by electricity produced from hydrogen fuel cells. The hydrogen tram operates using electric energy that is generated by fuel cells powered by hydrogen. The fuel cells generate the electricity to move the tram via electrochemical reactions between hydrogen and oxygen. The electricity that is produced using the fuel cells within the tram is powered by hydrogen stored in tanks located on the top of the vehicle. Any excess electricity that is produced is saved by the fuel cell in an energy storage system. The tram can reportedly travel 150 kilometers, 93.2 miles on a single fueling. What's more, in addition to being a zero-emission vehicle, the hydrogen fuel cell tram features a unique clean air system that traps ultrafine dust in an air filter. It is capable of purifying 800 micrograms of fine dust per hour of operation, producing 107.6 kilograms of clean air. The hydrogen tram is part of Hyundai Rotem's larger plan for carbon-friendly rail. The new hydrogen tram is the company's first commercial hydrogen fuel cell model. It is part of Hyundai Rotem's larger goal to decarbonize rail and implement hydrogen energy across the industry. In addition to this H2 tram, Hyundai Rotem is currently planning a hydrogen-powered train that is expected to be finished in 2027 and will operate at speeds of 180 kilometers per hour, 111.84 miles per hour. In addition to the tram and its liquid hydrogen engine trains, the company intends to build the necessary H2 infrastructure needed to support these vehicles, including hydrogen refueling stations and the HyNet Hydrogen Shipping Center, where hydrogen fuel will be produced by extracting hydrogen from natural gases. The hydrogen tram project is supported by the South Korean Ministry of Trade, Industry and Energy, the Korea Institute for the Advancement of Technology, Korea Automobile Research Center, Korea Railroad Research Institute, and Ulsan Technopark. The project is expected to be finished by the end of 2023. That's it for now. Make sure to hit subscribe and grab our free ebook. The link is in the description. Let us know what you think. Leave a comment down below.